Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by cutting exposure. Remove obvious triggers and act quickly. Once you identify pollen or pet dander, isolate the source and clean affected areas. Vacuum with a HEPA filter and wash bedding. Start a recommended antihistamine or intranasal spray now so it reaches therapeutic levels. You'll reduce histamine response. Make sure to track when symptoms ease to adjust dosage or timing. This immediate combination lowers sneeze frequency and gives you control while you move to deeper management. Once initial measures are working, deepen your control with targeted tactics. You should perform nasal irrigation daily with isotonic saline to flush irritants and thin mucus. This helps reduce reflex sneezing. Next, adjust indoor humidity to about 40 to 50% because overly dry or humid air worsens irritation. Also, progressively reduce allergen reservoirs. Encase pillows, launder fabrics often, and phase out carpets or heavy curtains if they harbor dust. These steps change your environment so sneezes occur far less often. To finish, consolidate gains and plan for durability. Book allergy testing if sneezing persists so you treat the root cause and consider immunotherapy for long-term reduction. If needed, switch to prescription steroid nasal sprays or add leukotriene modifiers under guidance. These reduce baseline inflammation. For breakthrough attacks, use a fast-acting antihistamine and immediately remove yourself from the trigger environment. Open windows, step outside, or change clothes. If things go wrong and symptoms worsen,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.